Clausen Mercedes V-Class Limousine. If you haven't heard of Clausen, you're probably doing something wrong. The German aftermarket supplier Clausen is responsible for some of the most plush vehicles on the planet. They specialize in the conversion of ultra-luxury vehicles into deluxe stretch limousines that cater to the demands of the most high-level clients. This includes making all the door and curtain functions fully automatic and granting the user full control over everything from mood lighting to side panel operation by means of a touch-operable iPad. If you don't feel like stressing your fingers, you can also make use of the voice command. Other interesting features include the side panels with their beautiful glossy carbon fiber finish, a flat screen monitor with built-in PlayStation 4, a multimedia system, automatic folding tables, coffee maker, massager, and drawers for champagne. So essentially, you can seat 4 passengers facing each other with 2 abreast and watch what transpires around you with the aid of front and rear cameras that can be displayed on the big screens. When you're tired of sitting, the seats have adjustable extensions for laying down, and there's a biometric safe for your valuables while you sleep. Mercedes-Maybach S600 Pullman. Luxury and exclusivity have always been the features that define a limousine. The passenger cabin should be therefore generously sized and well-equipped to maintain a great level of comfort and practicality. With a length of nearly 6.5 meters and all sorts of electronic toys designed for no less than VIP-grade convenience, the Mercedes-Maybach S600 Pullman is an enviable ride. There's more than enough room in the rear for 4 passengers, 2 of which, presumably the more important people in the group, occupy the standard specification executive seats facing the direction of the travel, whereas the other 2 face backward. The S600 Pullman is 100 millimeters higher than the Mercedes S-Class and over a meter longer than its less luxurious sibling, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. The result is a tangible increase in both legroom and headroom. In addition to the 18.5-inch monitor and Burmester surround sound system, the glass partition can be electronically lowered and turned from transparent to opaque with the press of a button. Clausen Range Rover Limousine. One experienced company to hire when you want to convert an already luxurious Maybach and Mercedes-Benz into more opulent ones is Clausen, based in Germany. Although it seems that the tuner has only done mostly cars from local manufacturers, the catalog also includes cars from all over the world, including the Land Rover Range Rover. In Clausen's specification, Range Rover Limo is 6.2 meters long to accommodate 4 seats in the passenger cabin. Those seats can be configured in pairs so the occupants face each other, but buyers are allowed to order a custom-built model with just 2 seats in the back for greater legroom. Minibar and massaging leather seats come standard. The entire vehicle is armored to withstand up to 7.62 millimeter caliber bullets fired from a distance of 10 meters. Even the tires are bulletproof too. Lamborghini Aventador Limo. A UK-based company called Cars for Stars has been for a while wanting to transform an Aventador into a limo. In the realm of sports cars, the 6.5-liter V12 Lamborghini Aventador is one of the world's most incredible works of automotive engineering. The final product, which would be called simply Lamborghini Aventador Limo, remains a concept for now. The vehicle appears to have a room for 8 people in the rear and 2 more in the front cabin. Instead of having just 2 scissor doors like a normal Aventador, it would have 4 for easier access. The steering wheel and speedometers still look pretty much like an unmodified Aventador, so does the Top Gun-inspired engine start button. Porsche Panamera Limousine. The biggest case for the Panamera is its practicality. It's like an extended version of a Porsche sports car, so the vehicle is big yet exceptionally fast for a family sedan. The Porsche Panamera Limousine is an even larger version of an already big Porsche. All the typical features and quality worthy of the brand remain in existence, including the entire front fascia with the almost two recognizable headlamps and futuristic-looking LED lights in the rear end. The limo also has 4 doors, just like the standard model, but it uses gull-wing style for the passenger cabin instead of the regular version. It looks striking from the outside, and even more so when you get in. It seats up to 8 people, with 6 of them on the long bench facing a wide flat screen and a minibar. There are speakers all over the place and superb lighting to brighten up even the gloomiest mood. Hummer H2 Limousine. Some of the defining features of Hummer H2 are square corners, sharp edges, massive tires, chrome 7-slot grille, and legendary off-road capabilities. A lot of the exterior features of the limo model are similar to the standard one, except it's now much longer. You can say that Hummer H2 Limousine is an impressive pack of power and exclusivity, stretched out. The wheelbase has grown to more than 3 meters, but the biggest changes are on the inside. Maximum capacity has increased that the limo can comfortably seat 16 passengers, all of whom can enjoy a plethora of entertainment from the minibar, 3 flat-screen TVs, surround sound speaker system, and colorful lighting on the roof, among others. This is the vehicle that will unmistakably bring a lot of attention. Rolls-Royce Serenity Phantom. At the 85th Geneva International Motor Show in February 2015, Rolls-Royce sent the attendants to a pleasant shock with its unveiling of its one-of-a-kind Phantom called Serenity. Featuring hand-woven silk and paint color known as Mother of Pearl, the automaker really did showcase its unrivaled ability in bespoke designing. The wooden accent of the Phantom Serenity is intricately made from smoked cherry wood, added with a bamboo inlay to give it a touch of Oriental style. As a matter of fact, almost the entirety of the vehicle's ornamentations are inspired by luxurious robes typically worn by imperial families and rich merchants in the Orient. Each interior panel in the Phantom Serenity is lined in silk, then hand-painted with crimson blossom petal. Up to 600 work hours went into every single panel. Unlike a traditional limousine, however, it seats only 4 in total. Cadillac Escalade Viceroy Edition. The Cadillac Escalade Viceroy is a king among vehicles. The most striking feature of this vehicle is undoubtedly the elongated body, which gives it a certain cachet that most vehicles simply can't aspire to. When you purchase the Cadillac Escalade Viceroy, you're essentially buying a mobile office furnished with the most luxurious and technologically advanced features that make your car ride some of the most convenient and pleasurable moments of your life. It has an absolutely staggering 48-inch Samsung 4K TV positioned on top of a specially made electronic partition, as well as the very best security cameras and monitors to make sure your privacy is uninterrupted. As part of Lexani's plan to ensure maximum user comfort and convenience, you also have folding metal tables, as well as the option for armor plating. Bentley Mulsanne Grand Limousine. The 21-foot Bentley Mulsanne Grand Limousine is a pure British-style luxury. It comes equipped with fold-out tables, iPad stations, and of course champagne flutes. You can expect it to fully preserve the aesthetic lines and performance of the base model, yet the comfort department has been certainly revamped to the highest possible grade. In the passenger cabin, there are seats for 4 and veneered fold-out picnic table so everyone can enjoy their drinks without having to hold the glass all the time. Bottle cooler is between the front-facing seats, while a soft drink cabinet occupies the space between the rear-facing ones. Bentley also allows buyers to custom order the vehicle to any specification.